Hi, welcome back. This is Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an electronic business card or e-business card that you can share in your social media or everywhere like WhatsApp, Messenger, and even your Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So it's so much easier, and at the same time, it's free. F-R-E-E, free. So if you're interested to learn more, watch this video till the end. First thing before you create your name card, we need to use a QR code. So you can create a QR code something like this. Now, if you've not watched my last video about how to create your own QR code for free, you can watch this video right up here and it'll teach you how to do that. So let's jump right in and I'll show you right now how to use this QR code and create your electronic business card like this. Great. Now, for those who watched my video earlier on, we know that you were using these tools, right, to create your QR code. If not, you can watch it later on. After you learn how to build your business card, go there and generate this QR code for yourself. Now, right now, what we want is if we go to this canva.com. Okay, right now we're at canva.com. So Canva is a very, very useful website or tools that help me to design most of my stuff, right? Now, so when you come here, you go to templates right over here, and you can see there's a lot of different templates here. Now, today, my focus is to teach you how to create a business card. So right over here, business card, click on this. All right, now you got a lot of different business cards, okay? All right, so now it depends on which category you are, right? You can click here. Now, for example, if I'm a web designer, so I'll click on this web designer. It gives you a lot of templates. So you can find the one that you like the most. So from over here, you can scroll down and you can see all these are the templates. Let's say, for example, let's pick one. So let's say I like this one. So click on this one. So it will give you a 2-page because this business cards is actually for printing. So after you do this, you can actually print a card like the traditional business card. All right, so now this is you can look at it. This is the business card size, 8.5 times 5 cm. So it's a 8.5 width times 5 cm. Okay, all right, now I'm going to show you a different way. So for me, because we share the card through mobile today, I prefer to have my card in a vertical form, right? So it's 8.5 times 5. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to create a design of my own, okay? Custom dimension, which is, just now is in cm. So just now is 8.5 times 5. Now we reverse it. So it becomes 5 times 8.5. Okay, now my design is 5 cm times 8.5, which is the vertical type. Now, here you have a lot because vertical type usually is like the so-called brochures or paper or documents and so on. So there are a lot of all this design over here as well. So you scroll and then try to see something that you like. For example, this one. And when it goes in, it has a lot of other choices for you as well. So let's say I want this one. Okay. So then I can change this. So I like, let's say, for example, my background to be black. So I change this to black. Then this, I want to put my photos. So I can click and choose on one of my photos. So once you find a photo, you just drag it and then you put it over here. Right, so now this is my photos. So over here is the text. Now I want my text to be darker, so I can change it, right? And I want it to be like larger. Okay, this is too big, never mind. Let's put in first. Then you can change it as it goes. So don't like this font, you can change to another font. Let's say, for example, I wanted something like this. Okay, and maybe a little bit smaller. All right, so now here, then here there's a subtext here. All we need is ungroup, and then see what do you want to put in here. So here I want to change the font color as well. So this one, I don't need this. Okay, so then I can put my font here. Now I can change it to a white color. So here I can put my address. Then I can put in some other information if I want, my telephone, okay? So you can put in all the information that you want right over here. Then here, let's say I make it bigger. Now I'm gonna put in my QR code over here. Now if you're not, you can just drag it in and upload it to Canva. Now my one is already uploaded, so all I need is just click it. Then it can comes over here. Now I can have it like this. So here I can put it up a bit. So it depends on what you want. Let's say this will scan will take them to my so-called website. So right over here, I want to put in something. I want to duplicate. So here we can put in something to help people understand what you do. We help small business to grow online. So something like this. Okay, then let me adjust it nicer. Okay, so these are almost done. Then you have your logo. You will put your logo right over here. You can do that. Okay, and of course here you will put in your company name, right? So let's say my company name is Andrew Cheah, right? So you can put in your company name and all the key information. You can put it right over here, and that's it. So now your e-business card is done. So once it's done here, all you need is just click download. Okay, my suggestion is just go for JPEG. It's a smaller file size, easier to send through WhatsApp or any social media. So just download it. And then that's it. So you got your business card and then put it on your phone. And then when you meet someone, you can just send them through WhatsApp, right? So you can connect with them through WhatsApp or through Messenger. It depends on what social media communication tools that they use. Now, this is very useful, especially if you are speakers or even consultants. When you give sharing online or live telecast on Facebook Live, you can put all this name card and especially your QR code onto your presentations. People can see, they can scan, they can go to your website. Now, this is very important. If you watch my early on digital marketing strategy video up here, if not watch it, I teach you about how to strategize. So one of the key things is that we will give out samples, things that people can sample your service, look at how you conduct your training or your products. So this QR code will bring to your website. So very important, you must have your own branded website so that people can go there and they can download your checklist, your cheat sheets, or your ebooks, whatever samples that you want to give to them. So if you've not watched, then go watch this digital marketing strategy that I share with you. And through here, this QR code and this business card is to guide and bring people to your branded website. And from there, they can actually download your ebook or your checklist or cheat sheet. Then, and once they download it, you will have their contact so that you can follow up with them to see their interest in your offer or your product or services. So this is very important. So the business card is only the starting point, but you must have all these tools in place so that you can make full use of it. And then this will become your sales channel by itself. All right, so I hope this video will help you. And since this is free, just go and play it out. Design, you can have multiple business cards, right? So sometimes we have different business cards because we have different types of services. So if I go to the event, we talk about website, I'll send them to a page where we talk about our website development program. Now, if I go to an e-commerce conference, I will share a name card that will take them to a page where we give out free e-commerce cheat sheet. So you see, these are things that you need to strategize. And since it's free, you can have multiples, hundreds of thousands. It doesn't matter, right? So use this. And now you also know how to create your QR code. All you need is to change the URL. So get a website, but the best is get a website with unlimited page, and then you can create multiple pages, especially for different events or when you meet with different people, you know this guy is interested in e-commerce, you give out an e-commerce card. If this guy is interested to create a service, then we will give out a service business checklist name card where they will scan and then they can go and download a service business cheat sheet, because I know this person is interested in starting his own business online. So because it's free, basically you can create a lot of different business cards. So I hope this video will help you. Go and create one right now. So do share this video to your friends, who want to print a name card or who just started a business. This will be very helpful for them. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to this channel, you can subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that when we create new content, you will be notified. And so this is Andrew, and we publish weekly business tips to help entrepreneurs and small business to grow online. And meanwhile, you can watch some of this video, and I hope it will help you to grow your business to the next level. I'll see you soon in my next video.